a wall that will not fall. The topic is a wall that will not fall. Okay, we'll continue on this page. One day, Munia and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. Here Zainab makes this wall and Munia makes this wall. Now Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Masons too do not put bricks one on top of the other, as Munia has done. She has put the bricks one top of another. So masons do not do this. So what do you think? Which wall will be stronger? We know that masons will not put one on the other. So they have to put in this way. Masons always put in this way. So Zainab's wall will be stronger. Okay. Now, what do you think? Which wall will be stronger? That answer we told that Zainab's wall will be stronger. Look for walls where you can see different bricks. Here, different patterns of or different wall patterns are given. Here are photos of 3 kinds of bricks walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Okay, yes, there is a difference. There are 6 different. We have to match them. Now match the photo of each brick with the correct drawing below. So this will match this one, this will match this one, and the middle will match this one. So we can show in this way. Okay, we'll move on to next page now. Page number 6. Looking through the jali. The masons who built Jagriti school had also made different jali patterns on the wall. Here you can see, once again we can see this is the Jagriti school's pattern, and they have made different jali pattern on the walls. So now your question is there, how many different jali patterns can you see in these 2 photos? So we can see 5 jali patterns. Okay, how many? 5 jali patterns. Okay. If you count, you have to count it and number them. So there are 5 different. This jali pattern is different. This is 1, this is 2, then 3, 4, and here one more is there, 5. 5 different jali patterns are there. Okay, some are same also. So but we find total 5. Now this is a drawing of another beautiful jali. This drawing is another beautiful drawing, okay, of the jali. Now color some bricks red and make your own jali pattern in the wall given below. So you can make your own jali pattern. This is your work you have to do with your own mind. Okay. Can you see the window or jharoka in this photo? Yes, we can see the window or jharoka. This is a brick pattern. It is made up of, and it is a jharoka. We can see from it. Okay. Yes, we can see the jharoka in this photo of the school. Now draw some jharoka pattern on the wall here. You can shade it black. You can draw some jharoka pattern in this way and can shade it black. Okay, if it is not clear in this, so you will see in your solution. Okay, I will send you the solution, that time you observe it. Even this pattern, this you can try. Okay, I can try like this. This is a different jali pattern you can make on this is a rough way you can do. Okay, So in this way you can make your jelly pattern by putting, if you make it zoom you can do it very clearly. You can shade one brick, other brick you can keep it, this brick you can shade, or you can do as per your convenience. This is your homework, this work is your homework. Okay, this you have to do your homework. Okay, let's move on to next topic. On the next page we will see page number 8. Okay, on the page number 8 we will see this jali pattern is from the library building of Kerala. Okay, this jali pattern is from the library building of Kerala. See how the edge of the bricks is used to make a triangle in the wall. See here, there are triangular bricks you can see here. Okay, and have you seen this arrow they have shown? Then have you seen bricks that look like triangles? Look the bricks around the tree in the photo here. Around the tree we can see they are in this way triangular they look. Okay, so now look at the bricks around this tree in the photo. Okay, we have already seen. Do you see the arch in the photo? Yes, we see the arch in the photo here. Okay, this is from a school in Faizabad. Okay, this is from a school in Faizabad. Find out and look for other arches around you and draw them. We can draw the arches around you. We can show some of the arches in this way. Somewhere you must have found, or you may show the house door with the arch, or you can show the bridge with the arch. There are many ways to do. I will send in the solution, you look at that and draw. You can see this also clearly how it is done. Okay, so in this way this page is completed. Now we will move on to next page in the next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.